Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm a Practicum student at Blossom Children's Center. I'm going to speak about the importance of play-based therapy within ABA therapy. So let's get into it. What do we know? Play-based therapy is child-led, which means we search for teachable moments within the child's natural interests throughout their day. Sometimes we find those moments within their play, and other times we contrive those opportunities. This promotes our learners to explore their environments, which includes their peers and the toys around them. So why is play-based therapy important? Play-based therapy allows us to factor in how a learner processes language. So Gestalt language processors learn language through phrases, rather than analytic language processors who learn through single words building upon each other. Play-based therapy also allows us to consider their sensory profiles and modify their environment to promote optimal learning. Sensory profiles allow us to gain insight on how the learner interacts and takes in their environment. Knowing this helps us identify the effects the learner's sensory processing has on functional participation. Additionally, play-based therapy promotes meaningful relationships through playing alongside our learners as if we were kids again ourselves, and consider not only what might be affecting them externally, but what might be affecting them internally. Factoring all these things in will allow us to create meaningful relationships to aid in the progression of their therapy. Next, why do we use toys as materials? Toys are a part of a child's natural learning process. Additionally, utilizing the toys that the learners are interested in allows them to participate in their treatment plan. Our learners are not always able to communicate the things that they would like to work towards, so following their lead and utilizing the toys they're interested in is a way for them to participate. What does a real-life application look like? For the receptive identification program, imagine that the target is red dog. The learner has been playing with the red dog, but it's time to transition out. The technician instructing clean up the red dog would include the item they are interested in and build two skills at the same time: listener responding and receptive identification. For the fine motor imitation program, imagine the target is thumbs up. The learner is laughing and smiling as they go up and down the slide. The technician states, "Did you like it?" and models the thumbs up. Immediately after the model, the technician states, "Try this." Running the program this way allows for the technician to naturally implement the target in a socially significant way. Finally, for completing patterns program, imagine the pattern is blue, green, blue, green. The learner is currently into the song 10 in the bed and the ball pit. While in the ball pit, the technician could start singing the song and lining up the balls in the targeted order. The technician could stop singing the song and instruct the learner to complete the pattern. This is an example of contriving a play-based learning opportunity. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation on play-based therapy.